On the other side is for all the daydreamers and the stargazers, for those wanting to fit in and those wanting to break free, for those living in between different worlds, for those seeking light and for those radiating it, for those who read the lines and those who read between them. It's for those who need to pause and those who need to begin, for those who believe in unicorns and magic, and for those who live in reality. And it especially is for those who sit silently wondering what lies on the other side. Join us on the 19th of January at Lahe Lahe 80 Feet Road, Indranagar. The World of Hidden Thoughts presents Be Bold and Say It All, an open mic event for poetry, storytelling, stand-up comedy, singing, and much more.